Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, officially announced on July 10, 2024. Priced at $1,099.99, this latest foldable phone promises a blend of style and innovation. Stick around as we dive into what makes this device stand out and whether it's worth the investment. First up, let's talk design. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 unfolds to reveal a stunning 6.7-inch dynamic LTPO AMOLED display with a vibrant 1080 by 2640 pixel resolution. This screen is not only sharp but also boasts a peak brightness of 2600 nits, perfect for outdoor visibility. When folded, the device measures 85.1 by 71.9 by 14.9 mm and weighs just 187 grams. It's crafted with an aluminum frame, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 on the back, and a plastic front when unfolded. The Z Flip 6 is also IP48 water resistant, offering some peace of mind in everyday scenarios. The internal display of the Z Flip 6 is a marvel, offering a 120Hz refresh rate for silky smooth scrolling and HDR10+ support for deep, vivid colors. And don't overlook the cover display, a 3.4-inch Super AMOLED screen that's bright at 1600 nits, providing quick access to notifications and apps without opening the phone. While the cover screen isn't huge, it's handy for quick glances and interactions, especially with its Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. The Z Flip 6 is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, paired with 12GB of RAM and either 256GB or 512GB of storage. This setup ensures top-notch performance, whether you're gaming, multitasking, or streaming. The phone runs on Android 14 with Samsung's One UI 6.1.1, bringing a smooth and user-friendly experience. Plus, the phone scored impressively on benchmarks, so you can expect swift and responsive operation. Now, let's talk cameras. The Z Flip 6 features a dual camera system on the back, a 50MP main sensor and a 12MP ultra-wide lens. Combination promises detailed and wide-angle shots, though the real improvement here is in the camera software and AI enhancements. 10MP front camera is great for selfies and video calls, offering 4K recording and sharp, vibrant images. Whether you're capturing your daily moments or creating content, the Z Flip 6's camera setup is versatile and reliable. Battery life is crucial for any phone, and the Z Flip 6 packs a 4000 mAh battery. It supports 25W wired charging, which can get you up to 50% in just 30 minutes. Additionally, you get 15W wireless charging and 4.5W reverse wireless charging, convenient features for powering up accessories or sharing juice with a friend. While the battery life is decent, it's worth noting that you might need a charge by the end of a busy day, especially with heavy USE. It supports 5G connectivity, ensuring fast and reliable network performance. For security, the Z Flip 6 includes a side-mounted fingerprint sensor, along with other essential sensors like accelerometer, gyro, and barometer. Audio quality is top-notch with stereo speakers and 32-bit/384 kHz audio support. Although it lacks a 3.5mm headphone jack. So, is the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6 worth it? With its sleek design, powerful performance, and innovative foldable technology, it certainly stands out in the market. The incremental improvements over the Z Flip 5 are noticeable, but whether it justifies the higher price is up to you. For those intrigued by foldable phones and looking for something unique, the Z Flip 6 is a solid choice. But if you're seeking the best value, consider if you're ready to invest in this cutting-edge tech.